Just listen. No pausing, no repeating, no studying. Put it on while you cook, commute, or relax, and let the English come to you naturally. That's it. Today we are at a gym. Someone signs up for a membership, a staff member shows a new member around, and two people chat between exercises. Everyday English, slow and clear. Let's begin. Scene 1. Signing up. The gym is on the ground floor of a big building. There are large windows at the front. You can see inside from the street. There are machines, weights, and people exercising. The door is glass and it opens automatically. A young woman walks in. Her name is Kate. She looks around. It is her first time here. She sees a desk near the door. A man is sitting behind it. He smiles at her. "Hi there," he says. "Can I help you?" "Yes," Kate says. "I want to join the gym. Can I get some information?" "Of course," the man says. "My name is Dan. Sit down, please." Kate sits down in the chair in front of the desk. "So," Dan says, "we have two options. The first is a monthly membership. That is €40 a month. The second is a yearly membership. That is €350 for the whole year." Kate thinks for a moment. "What is included in the membership?" "Everything," Dan says. "You can use all the machines. You can come to the classes. You can use the changing rooms and the showers. Everything is included." "And what are the opening hours?" Kate asks. "We are open every day," Dan says, "from 6 in the morning to 10 at night." Kate nods. "That is good. I usually exercise in the morning before work." "Many people do," Dan says. "It is quite busy between 7 and 9, but there is always space." Kate thinks again. "Okay," she says. "I want to try the monthly option first." "Good choice," Dan says. "Can I take your name and email address?" Kate gives him her details. Dan types them into the computer. He prints a small card and gives it to her. "This is your membership card," he says. "You scan it at the door every time you come in." Kate takes the card. "Thank you," she says. "You're welcome." Dan smiles. "Enjoy your first workout." Scene 2. A tour of the gym. Dan comes out from behind the desk. He walks with Kate toward the main gym area. "Let me show you around," he says. "It will only take a few minutes." They walk through a door. The gym is big and bright. There is music playing. Not too loud, but you can hear it clearly. Dan points to the left. "These are the cardio machines," he says. "Treadmills, bikes, and rowing machines. They are all very easy to use. There is a screen on each one. You just press start." Kate looks at the machines. Some people are already using them. A woman is running on a treadmill. A man is cycling slowly on a bike. Dan walks further into the room. "Over here are the weights," he says. "Free weights on the left, weight machines on the right. If you are not sure how to use something, just ask one of the staff. We are always happy to help." Kate nods. She looks around. It is bigger than she expected. "And over there," Dan says, pointing to a door on the far side of the room, "is the studio. That is where the classes are. We have yoga, Pilates, and a few other options. You can see the full timetable on our website or on the board near the entrance." Is the studio included in the membership? Kate asks. Yes, Dan says. Everything is included. You just need to book your place online before the class. They walk back toward the entrance. The changing rooms are through that door, Dan says. He points to a door near the desk. Women on the left, men on the right. There are lockers inside. You need a €1 coin for the locker, but you get it back when you open it again. Kate smiles. Okay, I think I understand everything. Great, Dan says. Do you have any other questions? Not right now, Kate says. I think I am ready to start. Perfect, Dan says. Good luck. Scene 3, between exercises. On the other side of the gym, 2 men are sitting on a bench near the weights. They are taking a short rest between exercises. One of them is called Mark. He is in his 30s. The other is called Paul. They come to this gym at the same time every week and they know each other a little. Mark is drinking from a water bottle. He puts it down. How long have you been coming here? He asks Paul. Paul thinks. About 2 years, he says. Maybe a little more. Do you like it? Mark asks. Yes, Paul says. It is a good gym. The machines are new, the staff are friendly, and it is not too far from my house. Mark nods. I only joined last month, he says. I am still learning where everything is. It does not take long, Paul says. After a few weeks, you will know everything. Mark looks around the gym. Is it always this busy on a Saturday morning? Paul nods. Saturday morning is always busy. The best time to come is early in the week. Monday evening is quiet. Tuesday morning is very quiet. Good to know, Mark says. He picks up his water bottle again. I work from home on Tuesdays. Maybe I can come in the morning? That is a good idea, Paul says. He stands up and picks up a weight. Okay, I have 2 more sets. Then I am done. Me too, Mark says. Then maybe a coffee after. Paul smiles. Yes, there is a cafe just outside. Good coffee. Mark stands up too. Perfect, he says. They both go back to their exercises. The music plays. People move around them. Outside the big windows, the street is quiet. It is still early. See you next time. Next episode, we are at a restaurant. Someone makes a reservation on the phone, a waiter takes an order at the table, and 2 friends talk over dinner. Same slow pace, same simple English. See you then.